it's a bird! It's a plane! No, it's a Corona 3 getting its type slugs cleaned. So, to do this, you need, like, one of these guys. Or a natural hair brush. I use these very gently because, hey man, your type slugs are delicate. I mean, they're really tough, but they're really delicate at the same time, and you can fuck them up with one of these. Unless you know what you're doing. But I know what I'm doing. So, don't try this at home, kids. Natural hair brush is generally better. I don't use this particular one. I use one that's old and frayed and clean, but, you know, it's pretty gentle. Mineral spirits is the thing you want to use. Fucking alcohol. Dude, apparently it has water in it. That's bad juju for mechanical stuff, which likes to rust. I got a little jar of mineral spirits here, and just kinda dab a little bit on there, dabby. Just a little bit, yeah. Get on there. In fact, I'm gonna use a cotton pad, because got everything masked off, and really I'm just kind of looking to, you know, get the type slugs dampened with the stuff a little bit. And if they're not super dirty, you might not even need to use a brush. Mineral Spirits does some wonderful stuff. Let's look at all that. These were clean to begin with. So anyway, mostly I just wanted to show off, you know, hey, if you're gonna clean your type slugs, mask off your machine, right? Thank you.